Welcome my dear students. Today we are going to start measuring distance on the map. Distance is the space between 2 points. It may be short distance or long distance. In India, we use the metric system. Distance is measured in kilometers, meters or centimeters. There are 1000 meters in 1 kilometer and 100 centimeters in 1 meter. The distance is normally measured in a straight line. On the map, the distance is measured with the help of a scale. The ratio between the 2 points, when it is measured between the 2 points, it is measured in same unit. For example, 1:50,000 means 1 centimeter on the map and 50,000 centimeter on the ground. With the help of a scale, it is done. 1:50,000 means 1 centimeter on the map and 50,000 centimeter on the ground. 50,000 centimeter, it is actual distance. And in the map, we can't show 50,000 centimeter. That's why equals to 1 centimeter. With the help of a scale, it is measured. And in two ways we can measure the distance. The first is on a straight line, or you can say as the crow flies. And second, measuring distance of a curved road, river or canal. In the first type, when there is a straight line, or we can say as the crow flies. The as the crow flies phrase means the shortest distance. Normally it is measured with the help of a scale or with the help of divider also. The two legs of the divider are placed on the 2 points. As all of you know, distance is the space between 2 points. So which are the 2 points? We have to keep the leg of the divider on these 2 points. And then by placing it on the linear scale, the distance can be calculated. Then we come on the next type, that measuring the distance of a curved road, river or canal. In this method, we shall do again the two methods with the help of a paper strip. This is the first, and second is with the help of thread. Listen again. First type, it is of a straight line. Second type, it is of curved road, river or canal. In the second type, again we shall do of two methods. The first is with the help of a paper strip and second with the help of a thread. First method with the help of a paper strip. In this first method, we have to take one strip of paper and then put it on the starting point and mark it on the paper. Listen again. Take one strip of paper, put its edge on the starting point and then mark on the paper. Follow the curve with the string and mark again on the end point. Now place the paper strip on the linear scale. As yesterday we have done 3 types of scale. Verbal, RF, it means representative fraction, and third is linear scale. Now place it on the linear scale and calculate the distance. This first method we have done with the help of a paper strip. Now second method, with the help of a thread, we shall do, take one piece of thread and put a knot on one end of it. Place the knotted end at the starting point and move along the curve of a river along with the thread. Mark the end point with an ink, dot on the thread. Now stretch the thread along the linear scale till the marked end and calculate the distance. As in previous class I have told you, the distance we have to measure properly with the help of scale, with the help of thread, whatever we are using. With the help of scale it is very good, but if it is curved, then we have to take the help of thread and paper strip. That's why when we shall do it, we have to measure in kilometers, meters, and we have to do effort to measure the distance in appropriately way.